In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find organic traffic data in Google Analytics. This is a quick, reliable way to see how much traffic you are earning from organic sources and how that performance compares to other channels like paid search, direct, and referral. Start by signing in to Google Analytics and going to your property. You will begin on the Analytics home area where you can see a general snapshot of activity. For organic traffic data, you will want to move into the Reporting section. On the left-hand menu, click Reports. This is where Google Analytics keeps the standard, ready-made reports for traffic, engagement, and conversions. Once you are in Reports, look for the Acquisition area. Expand Acquisition, then select Traffic Acquisition. This report gives you a high-level overview of where your sessions are coming from. In the main table, focus on the column that lists the default channel grouping for each session. In many accounts, this appears as Session Default Channel Group or a similar label. Scan down the rows until you find Organic Search. That row is the primary place to view organic search traffic, and it will show key metrics such as users, sessions, engaged sessions, conversions, and total revenue for that channel. Use these metrics together so you are not judging performance by traffic volume alone. From here, you can also review other organic channel types that appear in the same list. For example, click Organic Social to see traffic that arrived from unpaid social sources, and click Organic Video to see traffic attributed to unpaid video sources when it is available in your reporting. If you want to go deeper than the channel overview, move into more detailed content reporting. Click into Landing Page to focus on the first page people visited when they arrived, which is especially useful for understanding which pages are pulling in organic visits. Then click Pages and Screens to review performance across your site content more broadly. As a practical tip, keep an eye on your selected date range at the top of the report, since organic traffic can look very different week to week. That covers everything you need to know.